Are you ready?
Yeah!
We have a new toy, yeah?
Yeah, I want a new toy.
You want a new toy?
Yeah, new toy.
Okay.
Piggy.
Shall we start with this now?
Yeah!
Okay. So what do we have here now? Is
Piggy.
Doh Animal Crew Pigsley by... Show it. Show it to the camera here. Oh, nice, nice. Let's see. Let's open this, yeah?
Yeah. It's like a piggy.
Yeah.
Look what's in here. I have more. I have more.
There you go.
This is a pig house.
Pig house?
Yeah.
Is it? Is it a pig house? Kaleb? Let's open that.
The piggy house.
Piggy house, piggy house. How do we do it? Let's see. Oh, you managed. Yeah, let's see where it goes. Where does it go this? Let's see. So how is this going? Does it go like that or the other way?
Look. You have to do like this.
Alright. There you go. Hold on, Kaleb.
You have to do the pig house.
Pig house. Is this going here? Is it? How?
No.
Who eats it?
Right. Let's see.
No, it's the other way around.
Is it?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. And the other one? Let's see.
And we have to make mud.
Mud?
Yeah, for the pigs to play.
Oh yeah. Mud. Piggy mud. Yes.
Put in the white piggy on the rubber.
Are you going to put some Play-Doh there?
Yeah,
Kaleb is making another piggy. What's the color of the piggy?
What's the color?
Pink.
Pink. Yay.
Brown.
Pink. Here we have pink. Yay. There you go. Oh, what color is that?
It's a pink.
It's pink. Yes. What about the other one? What color is the other one?
It's a pink one.
Yeah, but what color is this? This, what color is it? Kaleb, what color is this?
Brown.
Brown, yes! He made a piggy?
Yeah, it's there.
Yeah, it was a brown one.
Okay. Let's see, let's see. Come on.
Kaleb, did you make a brown piggy?
Yeah.
Let's see, let's show it. Show it.
Piggy! Yay, pig! So in the mud.
In the mud.
Yeah.
Let's see. How does it look? Oh, almost there, yeah. Okay. What does it do?
In the mud.
In the mud?
Yeah.
Trebuie să facă cu ochii aici.
Oh, okay.
Uite, white.
Right.
This is the white.
We have more Play-Doh here, Kaleb. Kaleb. Are those... Oh, this is a carrot here. Then this... What's this? Kaleb, what are you doing now?
The mud. In the mud.
In the mud?
Yeah.
But that's something that the pig eats, isn't it? Oh! Wow!
So in the mud and I went
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So what's that?
It's a piggy. I just need the eyes.
Let's see.
Daddy!
Piggy! Piggy!
Daddy!
Yes? I see that. Yeah. You put everything there now. Oh, is that what the pig does?
Yeah, the mama.
Does it play in the mud like that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They love the mud, isn't it? Hmm? Oh my God.
Can we make some mud now?
Look,
Look.
Kaleb, look at the piggy. Look, you want it?
Yeah.
There you go. Piggy, piggy.
Daddy,
Jumping in the mud, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But let's make some mud through here.
Oh,
You need to put the brown Play-Doh there, Kaleb.
put the brown Play-Doh.
From here.
Brown. Let's see how you do it. Come on, put some more. Let's see. And now you can press it with that. With this one. Go on. Look! It's coming out! Yay! Let's see better like that. Show it here. Alright. Let's put a bit more here, yeah?
Yeah.
Add some more brown Play-Doh there.
It's the mama.
Yeah, that one. Go on. Add some more there.
It's the mommy.
Yeah, put some more there. Okay.
Okay.
Is that enough? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So shall we press it? You press it. You press it. Oh, it's coming out. Yeah.
Over my head.
One more.
Yeah.
Okay. You add there. And go for it. Oh yeah, you did it. There. Look at that, piggy. Piggy.
Eat.
Eat. They play in the mud. They don't eat mud, do they? They just play in the mud. They love it. Ah.
I want drink.
Oh. Look at that. Oh. Look, here is another one. There you go.
Pick it down and to the tower.
Look, the big one is here.
That's the mommy pig.
Is it?
Yeah.
Mommy pig.
Pig.
Mommy pig.
Mommy pig. Mommy pig. Yeah?
Yeah.
Look. Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. What is it?
Hmm? Ooh. What color is the pig?
Pig. Mommy pig.
Pink mommy pig.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then,
You making more mud now?
yeah.
Shall we put this mud here now?
Yeah.
Like that. What does this do? Oh, look at that. All the mud gets out of there.
So the pigs can dance.
Yeah? Can they?
Yeah. Yeah, actually.
This
If you put them there, they jump.
into
So let's see.
see.
We take this,
Into
we leave the mud there, we put the piggies here. 1,
and two.
2, like that, and we do like that.
Oh!
Hey, hey.
They're jumping.
They're jumping. Yay! You like it?
Yeah.
Are you putting that in now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Look at that. Go on.
There's going to be a magic mud.
Magic mud. There. There you go.
They go.
Good. Magic mud. Brown
Mom.
and pink. Brown and pink. Put the piggies there and now press on that. Go on. Oh, look how they jump. Come on, try it again. Go on. Like this. Go on, do that. Can you do it? Like this. See? Everything jumps. I jump. Ooh. Yeah, you jump, isn't it? There you go.
They go. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. The mommy no big in the brown.
Bye bye. Bye bye, Kaleb. Bye bye.
Bye bye.